Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new library on the Adobe Illustrator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the libraries button down below on the left side corner of the screen and then click on the plus icon at the top on the right side. Here you can type in the name of your new library. Type it in and click on the create button down below. So here you have the new group to which you can add elements. Here you can tap on the capture button or move already existing items by tapping on the move to button. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.